When modeling a factory layout, the easiest way to do so is to follow the structure set out by the task menu on the right side. Once you have completed the 6 logical design steps from top to bottom, you will have completed your layout planning. There are also videos for each of these steps. Go to the Design section of the task menu. First, begin by using the Model library and place the models into your layout. Second, enter the product and process information in visTable logix to establish the material flow. The material flow is important to optimize the layout according to logistical aspects. Third, the next step is layout optimization. This helps to arrange the objects in a way where transportation is reduced to a minimum. Fourth, once a good object arrangement has been found, transport routes can be planned in the next step. Transport networks are used for this purpose. The material flow connections then no longer run directly between the objects, but via the transport networks. Fifth, the final step is to check the safety distances. Sixth, once you have found a good layout variation, you can finish by receiving measurements which you can use for further planning and sharing with colleagues. By using the pre-existing intuitive workflow, you will discover how easy it is to model your factory.